The second reason why acceleration due to gravity is not the same everywhere on the Earth's surface is what we call altitude, or simply height. Here's the reason. Let's say you have a mountain here. It's a mountain. Now, if you are here, you're much closer to this force of gravity. So you're going to feel the force more here than someone who climbed the mountain. You go to the mountain top. On this mountain top, you're far from this force, right? So you feel less of the force here. So the higher you go above this surface of the earth, the higher you go up, the less of the force of gravity that you feel. Therefore, acceleration due to gravity is less at great height, or at points far away from the earth's surface, and is more when you get close to the earth's surface. A third reason why acceleration due to gravity is not the same all over the earth's surface is the rotation of the earth. What do you mean by that? When the earth rotates, everything on the earth's surface moves in circle, right? Okay, when things are moving in circle, it means they are under the effect of what we call centripetal force. So anytime anything is moving in circle, it means that the force acting on it is centripetal force. This centripetal force tries to pull things towards the center of the earth. But according to Newton's third law of motion, every action is going to produce a reaction which is equal but opposite. So this centripetal force is going to produce another force that is in opposition to it, that is the centrifugal. The centrifugal force. This force acts in opposition to this one, okay? That means if this one is pulling people around the earth towards the center of the earth, this one is going to be pushing people away from the earth. And remember that gravity pulls people down to the earth, right? That means this one will be pulling or pushing people away. So this is going to make gravity weaker because it works against gravity. And this only happens at the equator. That's where this thing takes place. So the equator rather. So the rotation of the earth produces or causes centripetal force, which is an action that leads to a reaction known as centrifugal force. And this centrifugal force pushes things away from the earth, which is in opposition to the force of gravity, therefore making gravity weaker at the equator. And therefore, at the equator, the acceleration due to gravity is going to be less because of this centrifugal force.